Hey, this is Steve from Zenvea.com. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you today. I ordered a essential oil diffuser and a 6-pack, a starter pack of essential oils. So it's got 6 10 ml bottles of a few of my favorite ones, actually. So we've got lavender, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, lemongrass, and sweet orange. There's just a great variety there for anyone just getting into essential oils. And here's the diffuser. This one is our Cool Mist 500 ml light grain model. Comes with a instruction manual, water cup, power plug, and a remote control. Which is great in bed. And here I am just filling up some water. This one can hold 500 mils. And to use it, it's as simple as just adding the water, adding a few drops of any essential oil you like. I added lavender, and replace the lid, and you hit the mist button. And right now that would be set to 1 hour, but if you press it a few more times, you can turn it on the on setting and it will run until all the water's used up, which is nice because that's like sometimes over 12 hours depending on the model. And there's a light function there, and I kind of like green, but you can choose up to 10 different ones. And here's the remote control being used. And that's it. Thanks for watching.